Don't mind me.
Okay. Greetings, everyone. So today we are going to get started on the chimney flue. And as usual, I couldn't get all the parts. So we're going to run as much of it as we could, or we can. And we'll show you how we're going to do that.
We're gonna have a fireplace.
So the first piece we need to put on is the anchor plate to the top of the fireplace. So let's get started on that.
Okay. This is our current heater. Oh, at least we have that. It's cold.
So this is what the anchor plate looks like. This part goes down into the top of the fireplace, and this is where you connect the chimney itself. So the first thing we have to do is put a bead of fireproof sealant on the bottom of the anchor plate, and then there's 4 screws that go in these holes that screw it down to the top of the chimney. Ooh. Interesting stuff. So it doesn't say how thick it needs to go on there, but I am putting it on pretty thick. All right, now we'll go under there and put it in place. All right, now I'll put the 4 screws in. And these are just self-tapping sheet metal screws. All right, I guess I put enough of the sealant in because it's gooing out around the edges, so that's good.
Okay.
All right, let's go with the first piece. So it goes on and then it tightens down by spinning it. All right, easy peasy. Let's go get another one.
And before we put in the next piece of chimney, we need to install the fire stop heat shield. We'll do that next.
And there is the fire stop heat shield that'll go up at the top of the fireplace surround. All right.
Next,
We can put another length of pipe on. That'll take us up into the attic.
this is terrible.
Yeah, sorry about the light in here. It's pretty dark.
Well,
So we're gonna stick it up through there, hopefully. All right. And let's catch it. And the quarter turn.
woohoo!
All right, we're through to the ceiling.
Outstanding.
So I have a support bracket that I'm going to mount on the back wall here. I just need to cut a block to put on the back wall because the legs of the support don't quite reach the back wall.
Okay.
Okay. Let me use my drill hammer. Should I get the level out?
No! No one will know.
They're gonna know. All right, now I need to come over to your side.
Okay.
Okay. All right, and the strap is in. Sorry about the flash. It's pretty dark in here, so we're using a battery flicker LED.
It's terrible.
All right, let's put another section. There we go, a quarter turn. So the next step is going up the chimney. From where the chimney comes straight out off the top of the fireplace, I needed to offset a little bit so I could go up in the middle of the trusses in the roof where I built the chimney chase sticking out the top of the roof. So in order to get that offset, I bought two 30-degree elbows, which will give me a 4-inch offset, which is what I need to get centered in the chase going up through the roof. And that's what the elbows look like there. Okay. Oops. There we go. And then this bottom gourd here pivots, so you can line them up. And there's my offset. So I also got these locking bands that lock together where the chimney pieces connect. They're optional for all the joints, but since this is an offset and it's kind of on an angle, I thought having that extra support tying these pieces together would be helpful. So I bought a band for where the two elbows connect, and then I bought a band for where we're going to connect the next pipe here and where this is going to connect onto the pipe that we've already installed. Fingers are too fat.
Want me to help you?
There we go.
Okay.
I think I got it started here. All right, let me get it lined up now on the gourds.
Gourds.
you say. I thought a gourd was a squash.
I don't know, maybe. That's what I'm calling these guys. All right, here we go.
Time to install?
Now we'll take that up and we'll set it on top of the pieces that we've already set in place.
Okay.
All right, we'll put the offset on. There we go. And we'll spin it to where we need it. There we go. And now I'm going straight up the middle of my chase above. So the next thing I'll do, I'll put another locking band right here on where those elbows connect to the top of this chimney piece. So I'm going to have to stop there with the chimney pipe because the 2 5-footers that I ordered were not available to take me the rest of the way up through that chase. So the offset comes with a strap. So what I'll end up doing is make some blocking for that strap, and that helps support the elbows also. So Matthew and I were able to finish the fireplace chimney going up through the chase, and I'll take you outside and show you what the top looks like. Try that again. And there is the top of the chimney. I have a temporary roof jack up on there until I can make a full cap for that whole chimney top. I'm just waiting to get the plumbing up through there so I know where all the holes are. And I've got to get the metal that comes with the metal roof so it matches, so I can fabricate up that chimney cap. So I hope you enjoyed the video on the fireplace install and the chimney. I want to thank you all for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.